Hello, people. I made a fucking F86 Super Sabre a while ago, and I decided that maybe I should not let my channel just fucking die out. So I'm making a video on it now. Yeah, so it is an F86 Sabre. It's an American Cold War, like 1950s jet fighter. It was primarily used during the Korean War against North Korean MiG-15s. Yeah. I'll just show how it works. So you can actually, there's a closing like canopy. I didn't make a canopy because I was lazy and it looked kind of shit, so I just tore it off. It's got guns. I don't know what key they're on. I'll see that later. Yeah, you can kind of taxi with it as well.
It wasn't long ago that we met in Italy. I was a G.I. Joe and you were Bella Marie. Soon we were married, then we sailed away across the ocean blue to my home in Iowa. There we've been living.
Flies pretty nicely in my opinion. I forgot the landing gear. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, there we go. Now it's in the air. Holy fucking shit, my ping.
It's the same old story and it's up to old glory to win another fight for liberty. So keep the home fires burning.
Yeah, this can actually stall out unlike most of my other planes. Because this doesn't have a gazillion fucking engines in it. So if you pull up for too long, it stalls out. I think the guns are like E. Oh yeah, there, got them. Yeah, I can't fly this right now, I've got too much lag. This game is ass. Oh, the guns can actually hit the plane. Yeah, it's a minor flaw.
Goodbye, Maria, though I'm off to Korea. In my heart, you'll always be.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the code of this in the description. Yeah, if you wanna fly this, just don't go straight up because that'll make it stall out. Watch out that you don't shoot the guns while you're turning too fast because that'll hit itself. As we can see here, it only hit a part of the fuselage. If it hit one of the engines, it would have just exploded instantly. Yeah. I don't know what else to say about this. It's just a Sabre. Nothing special, really. Oh yeah, I gave it Polish markings because I felt like it. Since I think the Polish Air Force around it looks kind of awesome. Yeah, that's about it.